This is the tail boom for a Vario scale model Bell 47 helicopter. This one's going to be electrically powered, but it came from the factory with a cold solder joint, which we are going to try and repair. There's the cold joint there. See if I can get that closer to the center so it's focused more properly. So, what I've done so far is I opened the joint up using this little tool, which I think is a surgical staple remover. And I've run a piece of emery cloth through it, twice facing up, twice facing down, just to clean the joint out. By releasing the staple remover, I can add extra pressure to it or remove the pressure from it. And now we're going to add some flux. This is special flux for stainless steel. I have used it before. It's for stainless steel and silver solder. And the rag that you see wrapped around it is wet. I'm trying to prevent any other joints from letting go. So I've got my pencil tip torch, butane. Now if this doesn't put enough heat into it, I'm going to then get out my propane torch, which will come up with a little more heat. Get that to draw in. Looks good. Might be worthwhile trying to open that joint back up while everything's liquefied. There we go. Now we'll roll it over and see if solder flowed right through to the other side of the joint. It did. Excellent. Okay, so that should be fixed. Give it a shake and find out.